àkóyí wàhálà àkóyí bìlísì o ó ti ní gòbé o ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ má sùn o ó yẹ ẹ jí ẹ ń sùn tẹ bá sùn pẹ́rẹ́ ó ti di mọ̀gánà l'Àbújá o asọ̀rọ̀ kì í ti di wàhálà o Nàìjíríà ṣe ó ló ti ń gbọ́. Wọ́n ní Tinubu ti ń Yorubalization Nàìjíríà o wọ́n ní Tinubu ti ń legalization Nàìjíríà o wọ́n ló fẹ́ sọ Nàìjíríà tí di Yorùbá nìkan èmi kọ́ ni mo sọ o. Àwọn ẹsẹ̀ ń dìgbò ti yarí o wọ́n ti fárígá àwọn northern senators elders leaders gbogbo wọn gbogbo gbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ wọ́n ti bọ́ta against ọba Tinubu wọ́n láwọn ò gbà wọ́n ní Tinubu ti ń Yorubalization o wọ́n ló ti ń legalization ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ wípé ó fẹ́ gbé central bank wàhálà àkóyí mọ̀gánà àkóyí wàhálà àkóyí bìlísì o ó ti ní gòbé o ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ má sùn o ó yẹ ẹ jí ẹ ń sùn tẹ bá sùn pẹ́rẹ́ ó ti di mọ̀gánà l'Àbújá o asọ̀rọ̀ kì í ti di wàhálà o Nàìjíríà ṣe ó ló ti ń gbóná o Ọlọ́run àwọn ọmọ Haúsá ó ti dìde sọ̀bà Tinubu o ọmọlọ́dọ̀ dẹ àná tí mo post sọ̀bà Tinubu àná was 2022 àṣẹ kékeré la rí èní 23rd of January 2024 ó gbóná gan o àwọn senator ti dìde ọkọ̀ gáìdì fún bàbá ni wọ́n ní ìwọ̀kẹ̀ Tinubu tó bá bẹ́ wọ́n á post Tinubu lánàá àwọn ìyá mi kan wọ́n ń pè mí mo pẹ́ láìkì mi ni o Yorubawuyi ṣé o ti ń tẹ̀lé Tinubu ni ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa sọ̀nà ṣùgbọ́n mo káwọn ìyá kan láìkì mi ó ti ń ṣe pọ́lítíìsì ṣé o ti gbowó ni ẹ bọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa gbowó nígbà tó ń gbóná hehehe ni máa gbowó nígbà tó mi ò Yorubawuyi mi kéré nínú ayé ògún gbọ́ mi ò kéré ajé ọlẹ́yìn tẹ́ ń fọ́lọ́ mi ni ọlẹ́yìn ẹ̀yin followers mi ẹ̀ ń jà Yorubawuyi ní ṣóńlẹ̀ èmi ò kéré nínú ayé kì í ṣèṣì ni máa gbowó ẹni tó bá mi ráṣọ òkè kí tó gbàgbé ẹ ṣe gan mo ti ship gbogbo aṣọ everybody lánàá ẹ ṣe mo ti ń sẹ́ndì kí lórúkọ ẹ̀ sí tracking number tí bàbá Tinubu la fẹ́ sọ nísìnyí jàre ẹ rí mo rán maintain champion mi mo rán ta aṣọ because èmi ò fẹ́ mi like kí n jẹ nǹkan tí mi nílé bọ́ta sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ ó yẹ ẹja continue àwọn náà ti dìde tán lẹ́nu 2 hours ago all the senators in north wọ́n ti bọ́ta wọ́n ní Tinubu shop shin àwọn wọ́n ní 28.7 trillion budget tí Nàìjíríà ṣe wọ́n ní Tinubu mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ṣe ni against the north ní àná 22nd of January 2024 àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wọn ló ń pariwo àwọn youth northern youth ni wọ́n ń pariwo ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́ni àwọn àgbààgbà wọn both elders leaders senators everybody ti bọ́ta ẹ lè má like nǹkan tí Tinubu ń ṣe ká like Tinubu àwa lè má like Tinubu ká like nǹkan tó ń ṣe ẹ má yẹ kí divide and rule ṣiṣẹ́ láàrin wa lọ́wọ́ yìí àwọn bàbá wa nígbà tí wọ́n lè gbowó dìde jáde bí wọ́n ṣe dákẹ́ tí wọ́n ò support ẹ̀ ní tí wọ́n lo divide and rule ìgbà míì ire máa ń wà nínú ibi bí máa ń wà nínú ire Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ bá wa ṣe wọn ò rí Àdìsá pàǹjọ yẹn Ọlọ́run bá wa dóòlà ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ Àdìsá bọ́ mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ ló wá sọ di ògo àgbáyé Ọlọ́run kì í ṣe nǹkan kó máa fààyè ọpẹ́ sílẹ̀ èyí tí Tinubu ń ṣe yìí nígbà tí àwọn ajẹja Club of Lagos àwọn aṣíwájú ajẹja bloggers tí wọ́n bá lè sọ̀rọ̀ nísìn tí wọ́n ti gbé tọ́pìkì míì ẹ jẹ́ ká àtàjọ ọmọ Yorùbá original ká sọ̀rọ̀ táwọn náà bá kọ̀ tá a sọ̀rọ̀ nísìn àwọn ọmọ tiwa tó ń bọ̀ wọ́n máa bú àwa náà báwa ṣe ń bú àwọn bàbá yẹn Yorùbá ẹ̀mọ́ ìkan máa jàjàjà díjú lọ́wọ́ yìí like politics tí Tinubu ń ṣe because tó bá bọ́lẹ̀ ìyá máa padà jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ṣùgbọ́n bá yẹn ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí bó ṣe move everything wá sí south west ẹ jẹ́ kó máa move ẹ̀ àwọn máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi ẹ jẹ́ kí sáré já yín sí kí sáré gbé yín débẹ̀ northern senator first lopsided 2024 budget relocation of CBN FAAN against north. Yes, northern senators have rejected Tinubu. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The planned relocation of some federal agencies from Abuja to Lagos, just as they allege lopsidedness in the distribution of allocation of resources in the 28.7 trillion 2024 budget against the North. Ó pa yín lẹ́rìn, ó pè mí náà lẹ́rìn. Now, 2024 budget is against the North, abi? Okay, I'm born. The senator made their feelings known yesterday in a statement issued by spokesperson Sulaiman Kawu Sumaila, representing Kano South Senatorial District on the platform of the Nigeria Politics Party, NNPP. NNPP. Recall that the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, in a recent internal memo, announced plan to transfer some of the department to Lagos State, citing congestion in the headquarters in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Shortly after the CBN announcement, the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Festus Keyamo, also ordered the relocation of the Federal Airports of Nigeria, FAAN, headquarters from Abuja to Lagos. Oh, shock you! Kile ń sunkún fún náà. Dodon Barracks. Ibo ló wà, kì í ṣe Ìkòyí ló wà tẹ́lẹ̀. When Maradona came to power, 1991 ni wọ́n gbé Dodon Barracks. 1991 ni wọ́n gbé lọ sí Abuja. Ṣebí ní Abuja is the center of Nigeria. Anything tí wọ́n bá pè in center should not belongs to anybody. Why you take a personal? I want take a personal. Not why you take a personal. When Maradona, ìjọba Maradona was relocating everything in 1991. And bàbá tí wọ́n fọwọ́ lẹ́rán ni wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀. Àsìkò táwa, àsìkò sọ̀rọ̀ sókè láwa yìí. Àwọn olódòdó yá ṣe kíní yẹn fún wọn. Àkànbí ṣe kíní. Anything movable, ma movable. Ma movable. Lórí eléyìí, I support you. Táwọn aṣíwájú bẹ̀gà sí wọ́n gbowó tí wọ́n jẹjà tí wọ́n bá lè sọ̀rọ̀. Àwa máa sọ̀rọ̀. This shows our Yoruba nation la nífẹ̀ẹ́ Tinubu. We are not doing it for anything than for the freedom of our people. But the lawmakers, under the urges of Northern Senator Forum, kick against the move and urge the constituencies to remain patient, saying they will engage the executive in peaceful negotiation and deploy legal measures where necessary to address the issue. Come on, peaceful way. Peaceful way. Mistake táwọn bá wá ṣe ni wípé tẹ́ bá ní ọ̀gbà nínú ọmọ ẹ má ta dànù. Torí tó lórí burúkú kan bá ń bọ̀ ta tẹ́ bá ti ní ọ̀gbà nínú ilé Ọlọ́run bá yín fèsì ẹ̀. Mistake táwọn bá wá ṣe nìyẹn. Nígbà tó Adéyẹmọ jáde pé ọ̀gbà lòun wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ kọ́ gbà ni. Ó yẹ kán káàmù ẹ̀ ni. Ó yẹ kán ṣe ní pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ kán pè. Kán má ṣe ní kán pè báyìí la fẹ́ ṣe. Ní sùúrù ẹ máa ṣe kí lórúkọ ẹ̀yin rally peacefully. Àwọn kan báyìí tó ń sọ má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Má ṣe báyìí. Kọ́jọ jókòó kọ́jọ fomi jómi tó rọrọ ni ṣùgbọ́n nígbà yẹn on shop shin wá jójú ayé ẹ̀yin bàbá wa kò sí wàhálà. Àwọn akada pàdé láyọ̀. Ẹ ká máa kà síwájú lọ. The 58 Northern senators, all the 58 Northern senators. All the 58 Northern senators. The 58 Northern senators, in a statement by Sumaila, said a representative of the people at the national level, that is the Senate, we are committed to the addressing the concern and feelings of our constituency regarding certain decisions and the politics, but fought by the federal government lopsidedness in the distribution and allocation of resources in the 2024 budget, relocation of some federal agencies to from Abuja to Lagos. Wọ́n lè máa mọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ àwọn wọn létí ọmọ ni ẹ̀wọ̀n àwọn àní wọn ọmọ ní ẹ jẹ́ àwọn wọn létí. any federal agencies from Abuja to Lagos. Did you know before 1991, Lagos was the federal capital of Nigeria? No, ele mamo elo wo. Nígbà tí bọ̀dá yín àbí bàbá yín ní ká pé tó débẹ̀ 1985. Tó mọ̀ pé òun lọ ní 1993. 1991 ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní move. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ bá wa jagun tipẹ́. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ jagun tipẹ́. Ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní move everything. Lọ sí Abuja 1991 ló move everything. Àwa náà máa move everything. Anything movable, we're going to move am. Akabi aje ba wa gas, ó ti gbé pon lórí gas, but má lo gas tó bá, má kí gas yẹn lọ sókè jù. Bá wa ṣe nínú bọ́ọ̀lì, kó bá wa fàtẹ́gùn sí báyìí. Wọ́n bá wa fi ẹpọn wọn sórí iná bọ́ọ̀lì. Iná bọ́ọ̀lì kó bá wa fàtẹ́gùn sí má kí náà lọ sókè. Kó má lọ be, àbẹ́yìn ò fẹ́ kó má lọ be ni. Ẹ jẹ́ kó má lọ be. Tálíkà lèmi, tálíkà lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ń wò mí. Ọmọ ọ̀lẹ lèmi, ọmọ ọ̀lẹ lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ń wò mí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn alágbára méjì má bára wọn jà. Ẹ kàn bára wọn pọ̀. Kàn bára wọn wọ, ẹ bára yín fà. Àkànbí ó yá wọ́n náà bá wọn fà, ẹ bára yín pọ̀. Àkànbí má wálé o. Tó bá relocate everything má wálé kó yá dúró sọ́hun ni. Àbí ká change orúkọ ẹ sí Sulagbangin. Ká má change orúkọ Tinubu anything. Tó bá ti bá wọn fà. A má change orúkọ ẹ Ọlọ́run. Àmọ́ last jọ torí Ọlọ́run. Bá wa gba Yorùbá nation. Kó má yẹ pé n tó ń ṣe tó bá bọ́lẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ wọ́n máa ṣe ṣégè bá dára fún wa o. Bá wa gba Yorùbá nation ó ṣe Àkànbí. We understand the importance of fostering a harmonious relationship between the government and its citizens. And it is in the spirit that we are announcing our collective efforts to seek an amicable resolution to these pressing issues within the confines of our constitution and existing laws. This is what I'm telling you. Listen to this. They said, we understand the importance of fostering a harmonious relationship between the government and its citizens. We don't know, and it is in this spirit that we are announcing our collective efforts. This is where I come in. Their collective efforts. They are collective efforts. So we should not allow divide and rule to ṣẹlẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Mi ò bóyá yẹ ká gba yẹn láyè o. Mi lérò pé yẹ ká gbà láyè. Tẹ́ bá wá wò pé ká má sọ̀rọ̀ ká má appraise Tinubu pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣe. A lè má like Tinubu or politics. Pé Yorùbá nation la fẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe ìṣó dàbí ò dá. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa rí ní comment section ní dààmú. We are assuring our constituency that we have taken their concerns seriously and are actively engaging with our colleagues in order to address this matter. To address these matters effectively, we firmly believe in the power of open dialogue and the collaboration to bring about positive change for our nation. They have assured their constituency that they have taken their concern seriously. Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà wa ṣé ń gbọ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí náà ṣé ń gbọ́. Wọ́n ti assure àwọn èèyàn wọn. They take their concern seriously, unlike ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. That's àwọn àgbààgbà wa wọn kì í take concern tiwa seriously. Ṣé ti rí sìn? Ṣó ti ń clear fún gbogbo wa? Please. Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, you guys should stand up. Sunday Igboho kì í ṣọ̀tá yín. Ọmọ Aládìkún kì í ṣe ọ̀tá yín. I am sorry pé mo fọwọ́ sétí. Ẹ má bínú sá, ẹ má bínú mà. Sunday Igboho kì í ṣe ọ̀tá yín. Ọmọ Aládìkún kì í ṣe ọ̀tá yín. Everybody ló níbi tó ti wúlò. Ìgbà míì, igi tí ń bá fojú ré náà máa ń gbéyàn ṣubú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ẹ wo àwọn aṣíwájú beggars tí wọ́n bọ́ tàjọ́ kìíní àná pé àwọn làwọn campaign fún Tinubu. Nísìnyí wọn ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́. Àwa tí wọ́n pè lọ́tàjọ́ kìíní àná. Ọ̀tá máa ń wà nú ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ máa ń wà nú ọ̀tá. Àwa yìí náà láti wá ń dìde. Because a ní fake love fún ilẹ̀ wa. A ní fake love fún ilẹ̀ wa. fún àwọn ìran wa láyé tó ń bọ̀ tà sí pé Tinubu ṣe àní ìran wa ni. What if tí ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà wa tẹ́ bá ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà yẹn pé Tinubu Sunday Igboho ìran wa ni, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yín a máa ṣe jókòó jọ sọ̀rọ̀ àbọ̀ wá bá lọ́rọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà wa. This is just a group. Hope Arewa Development Initiative ADI had faulted Keyamo over alleged plan to relocate the establishment of fire and truck maintenance and the refurbishment center project from Katsina to Lagos. Yes. Yes. I'm a move well. Refurbishment, relocation of the fire and the truck maintenance and refurbishment center project from Katsina and Lagos. Hardy National Coordinator Adamu Muhammad, in a statement in Abuja, expressed dismay over what it termed the ill-thought move and reckless action. Oh, wow, it's now a reckless action, right? But when Babangida was doing all those things, it wasn't a reckless action. Àbíyèsí Ọlọ́run. Ọba tó kì í fún àwọn èèyàn tiẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ó ti di reckless action nísìn. Má yẹ kó jẹ́. Okay, to you, it might be reckless action. To us, we are waiting for the outcome. Yoruba nation, no going back. Okay. The group was reacting to an alleged plot by Alcatel Communications Limited, seeking the relocation of the federal government, awarded establishment of fire and truck maintenance and refurbishment center project sites outside of Katsina. Yes, it's coming back to Lagos. It's coming back. It's coming back to Lagos. Everything is coming back to Lagos State. Bó ṣe máa rí ni ẹ má bínú ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ ti ń bínú. Ẹ má bínú bó ṣe máa rí na máa relocate ẹ wá sí Lagos, refurbishment of everything. Everything refurbishment. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ òyìnbó. Everything refurbishment will be ó dùn mọ́ mi gangan. Ó ṣá dùn mọ́ mi ni. Ògún gbọ́. In an official correspondence to Keyamo, which was dated December 4, 2023, one Mark George Elder, the management director and CEO of Alcatel Communications Limited, sought the minister's concern to relocate the center project. Yes, Abuja is no more safe. If you take the center of excellency, when you're Wike as the minister, any infidel, Christian ò lè jẹ́, it's Nigeria an Islamic state. Any infidel ní Wike, Christian ní no kíní ló tún ti wá, ilẹ̀ àwọn Arábí ló ti wá. Ẹni kò lè jẹ́ minister ní Abuja, oríṣiríṣi tí ẹ wà lọ́wọ́ yín pálapàla. Rádaràdá pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín gan o. Ọlọ́run, ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kọ́kọ́rọ́ àlùjànnà ọwọ́ yín ló wà. Okay, ẹ̀yin ni PA Ọlọ́run, ilẹ̀ ń ṣílẹ̀kùn fún Ọlọ́run. Báyìí ni wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tèmi kì í yí padà. If you understand that in English, ẹ bá mi sọ síbẹ̀. Mi ò gbóyìnbó. Báyìí ni máa ṣe nǹkan tèmi kò kí ń yí padà. Àsìkò Tinubu lélẹ̀ bó ṣe mú ló ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan ẹ̀ náà. Báwọn tó kù náà jẹ. Abacha jẹ, ó ṣe ń tóhùn. Babangida jẹ, ó ṣe ń tóhùn. All of them tí wọ́n jẹ, Ọbásanjọ́ jẹ, ó ṣe ń tóhùn. Tinubu náà ń ṣe tiẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ni. Let's wait and see. Bàbá Tinubu. Ẹ bá bọ́dẹ̀ tán kí a máa lọ jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá o. Ẹ ṣe ní ẹ ṣe tó kàn. Tinubu ṣe ohun tó kàn. Àkànbí ọmọ olódò òde ṣe ohun tó kàn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan bá alẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ. Wọ́n sọ pé gbọ́ ṣe ohun tó kàn. Àkànbí ṣe ohun tó kàn. Ṣe ohun tó kàn. Ọmọ tó kàn. Tá máa fi bọ́ pátápátá lóko ẹrú. You know what is cons. Ṣe ohun tó kàn. Ẹ ṣe bá gbọ́ English, bá mi kọ́ ní English. The memo noted that having the project site either in Abuja or any part of the South is more promising. Though the firm gave 7 good reasons why it is proposing a change in the project site from Katsina. It is apt to mention that the grounds may not be tenable to the brutal candy. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n pààyàn ní Katsina gan. Ẹ lè expect tó ń pààyàn. Ẹ lè expect kíkiní wà ń bẹ náà. Ẹ lè expect ẹ. Àwọn foreign countries wọn ò ní wọlé. Ẹ wo Benin Republic nísìn. Àwọn foreign companies wọ́n ṣà ń wọ Benin torí that place is safe. Tí Katsina bá ti save, a máa ṣe nǹkan síbẹ̀. Kọ́dún mẹ́rin Tinubu tó pé, tí Katsina bá ti save, t'Abuja bá ti save, wọ́n máa ṣe nǹkan, wọ́n máa dá nǹkan padà síbẹ̀. But now, anyway, nowhere is safe. Ìjiyàn gbé yẹn ti pọ̀ jù. Nowhere is safe. Nasarawa ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti gbogbo yín sìn. Ẹ ti dàlù sí méjì. Ẹ ti ní ọlọ́pàá ti yín. Ẹ ti ní police ti yín. Even though Baba Tinubu kò gbà káwa àtàjọ ọmọ ẹ̀ ká ní. Ẹ̀yin ti ní ti yín. Ẹ máa bá yín. Ẹ máa bá yín until when Abuja is criminal free, bandit free, terrorist free. Until then, we will know what to do. But now, fẹ́ kí àwọn òyìnbó wọ́n fẹ́ wá ṣe dá company kalẹ̀. Fẹ́ kàn wá fẹ́ dá company kalẹ̀ kàn wá pé wọ́n jí wọn gbà bí wọ́n pa wọn no. Go on, ẹ lọ paná tó wà nílé yín ná. Ẹ tó máa bọ̀. The expert and aviation professional who may have been involved in the decision to cite the project in Kaduna in the first place were not ignorant of the drawbacks it could have posed, therefore, which Alcatel Communication extensively highlighted in its letter to Kiyamo, the group urged. Yes, Alcatel Communication might not be ignorant. Kí wọ́n tó sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ dá communication company àwọn kalẹ̀ sí Katsina. But no way, Katsina is not safe. And Tinubu is the president. Ṣé á wá gbà kí wọ́n dá company kalẹ̀ sí Katsina kí wọ́n bẹ́ wọn lórí ń bẹ̀ ni? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣe tí Tinubu ń ṣe ìṣó mú yes àbọ̀ mú no. Tẹ́ ẹ bá jẹ́ president tíbi kan ò dẹ̀ safe, ṣé ẹ máa gbàlejò síbẹ̀? Only to me, I don't think Tinubu is doing the wrong thing for now. They are not ignorant. Katsina, but Katsina, you can see what is going on there. You can see, but Lagos is at least a bit, you know, Lagos is not all that free, but it's a bit free. So maybe they should have bread is better than none. A loaf of bread, better than nothing, no. So let them move it. We will talk about it later. We will say something about it later. Move see Lagos State, you know, or down to anywhere in the south. Anywhere in the southwest. Come on, gbe bono. Eye kon gbe wa no. Egbe kini iwa wa lo kan. Eye kon gbe wa no. Tó bá ti gbe tán. Tó bá ti gbe dé tán. Tó bá ṣe jẹ àjẹ máa gbọ́. I will talk about it. Egbe kini wa lo kan. Eye kon ma gbe wa no. We will talk about it later. Trust me. Tinubu will do something after there is security in Abuja, Katsina, wherever. We will talk about Amasoro nipa. I want to have got to you. However, Ohanese Undi Igbo, the Apex Igbo Social Cultural Organization, while urging President Bola Tinubu to quickly end the security challenges in federal capital, warned the president to be wary of northern conspiracy against his administration. Kí ló máa ń pè wọ́n náà àwọn Ohanese Undi Igbo wọ́n ní kí bàbá Tinubu kó quickly end the insecurity ní ìlú because bóyá ń ṣe yìí àwọn ará òkè ọya wọ́n lè wage wàhálà against ìjọba ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ wọn náà nìkan ti máa ṣe ọ̀dọ̀ wọn nìkan ti máa ṣe bàbá Tinubu àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ àgbààgbà wa ẹ̀rọ àwọn ọmọ tí yín náà lágbára tó bá ṣí èrè tán lọ́dọ̀ wọn wọ́n lè fẹ́ ṣí èrè wọ south west bọ́tà àwọn tí yín náà bá dúró tán tó wà lórí ilẹ̀ if they full on ground tó wà lórí ẹsẹ̀ wọn nothing go happen no wàhálà if you enter me I go enter you if you sleep me I go sleep you àwọn ọmọ wa náà wọ́n forí gbálẹ̀ o wọ́n sọ́rí gan kò sí tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n jọba ara wọn kò wọ́n jọba ara wọn fa ni on the ground we all stay. On the ground we all stand. Nothing they happen, no. And you know, ẹ̀rọ àwọn ọmọ yín lágbára. ẹ má yẹ kálágbára wọn máa wò bí ọ̀lẹ. Ó ti yé yín àní fún gbẹ́nu sọ̀rọ̀. Mo kọ́ lọ́gbọ́n lẹ́yìn bàbá wa ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ mi. Ọlọ́run Tinubu ó lè sọ pé ó mọ̀ mí. Ògún gbọ́. Ó ní ọ̀fífẹ́ wà láì lè sọ. Àkànbí mo like orúkọ yẹn gan. Àkànbí Àdè ẹ lè sọ pé ẹ mọ̀ mí. Ó ní ọ̀fífẹ́ bàbá mi. Ẹ̀yin náà lè sọ pé ẹ mọ̀ máa. I am the one and only Akalolo nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ajá tó ní kíláàsì lèmi. Ọ̀rọ̀ ò dá lẹ́nu mi àmọ́ tí mo bá sọ. Ajé Ògún gbọ́. Lọ́balọ́ba níjòyè níjòyè náà máa jókòó pa fẹ́ gbọ́n tó ń sọ. Ọmọ yẹn oníṣìngbáká lórí o. Tinubu ni mo jọ. Ṣínṣìn wà lórí bàbá náà. Tuwádé ọmọ olóde Àkànbí. Èmi kọ́ ni mo sọ o. This is not my real mouth. Ẹnu mi gangan kọ́ lélẹ́yìí. Ẹnu tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Tí wọ́n ti sọ, tí wọ́n ti tara yín, èmi kọ́ ni mo sọ. This is not my real mouth. Mo ń bọ̀ wá bá yín. Okay. Want the president to be wary of Northern conspiracy against his administration, adding that Northerners are accusing him of deliberately promoting Yorubanization and the Lagosization of the polity through biased appointments in critical economic and the security sector that predominantly favor Yoruba of the Southwest. Here we are. At the day here we are. Yorubanization and the Lagosization. Yoruba nation! No going back. Yoruba nation, no going back. Whatever you like, you say. Ẹlẹ́nu ló lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́nu yín níṣẹ́, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ràn lọ. Èmi ọgbọ́n pa o. Wọ́n ti gé Àṣàkẹ́ tèmi létí lọ. Wọ́n ti gé Àṣàkẹ́ létí lọ. Àṣàkẹ́ wọ́n ti gé Àṣàkẹ́ létí lọ. Mi ò mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀. Èmi ò gbọ́ nǹkan kan. Ayé mi ò rí nǹkan kan. Mi ò gbọ́ nǹkan kan. Mi ò rí ọmọ dodo ayá ṣe. Ṣọ́tọ̀ kí n post the picture àbí kò tó kí n post the picture. Ṣé wá rí pé yẹ kí n post the picture. Kú iṣẹ́ ló máa ń mú iṣẹ́ yá. There's no permanent enemy. There's no permanent friend. Even though what they have hurt us. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ fọ́ wa lójú. Wọ́n ojú wa tí wọ́n rí fọ́ gan, ó ti ní bye bye. Sunday Adisa wà lẹ́yìn odi. Ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run bá tún ṣoore fún wa níbẹ̀. Now, wọ́n wá ń bára wọn jà. Àwọn nọ́ọ̀tì àti bàbá olódòdé wá ń jà. Ẹ wá ní kí Yorubawuyi má sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. We need to say something about it. Àbí kí má sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Ṣé ń gbẹ́nu mi dákẹ́? A máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní Tinubu ti ń Yorubalization and Lagosization of Nigeria. Wàhálà. Ẹsẹ̀ Ndigbo. Ẹ̀ṣọ́ ara yín o. Ẹsẹ̀ Ndigbo. Ẹ̀ṣọ́ ara yín o. Àní ẹ má dá sọ̀rọ̀. Ǹtẹ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀ yín náà ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n Mọ́ra know wetin I go talk o. Lóòótọ́ ẹ̀ ń fún ní warning ni kó má ṣe báyìí, Okay. Àwa Tinubu, ẹ̀yin náà ó ya ẹ̀mẹ̀lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ní ẹ má Yorubalization or Lagosization of Nigeria, but you can Ibolization or Hausalization. When Buhari was Fulanization, Ese Ndigbo, did you guys come out to say anything? No, sorrow. Advice Buhari nígbà yẹn. I beg advice Buhari. Advice here. Thank you for the advice, sir. God bless you. Ese Ndigbo. Kwenu. Kwenu. Yeah, kwenu. Kwenu. Yeah. Atiki, thank you for the advice, sir. Yorubanization. However, Ohaneze Ndigbo, the apex Igbo socio-cultural organization, while urging President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to quickly end the security challenges in Federal Capital Territory. Buhari told how many years did he end it? Did he end it? And you are now saying Tinubu should quickly end security. Insecurity in Federal Capital Territory. Abuja, okay. Tinubu agri ekun lo ma. I know me call this is not my real mouth so. Tinubu Afo lost Abuja, alo hende. Tinubu, even Tinubu cannot live in Aso Rock. He's not living in Aso Rock. So, Nigeria is koja anybody. Nigeria is koja. Kilo yinbo koja. Nigeria is koja. Eba mi son English. Nigeria is koja anybody. So anybody will share. This is where you are. Now, let's go on. They want the president to be wary of northern conspiracy against his administration. Let them bring it on. I was off one. Tẹ́lẹ̀ la máa sọ pé kẹ́ máa wà lóru. Tẹ́ bá wà lóru. Tẹ́ bá wà lọ́sàn ọmọ Ọlọ́run a ò lè sá fún wọn. Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa lẹ ń jojú wa. Ọlọ́mọ Yorùbá a lè sá fún wọn. Àwọn bàbá wa náà kàn ń jojú wa. Ògún gbọ́. Ẹ̀yin báwo. Ẹ kó tú wa kalẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹ jẹ́ ìṣeré ni àbẹ́ ìṣiyèrè. Ẹ jẹ́ kó tú àwọn ọmọ wa kalẹ̀. Wá bẹ̀ o, tẹ́ bá bẹ̀ Ògún gbọ́. Elédùmarè 16. Alákùá. Ẹ máa bá ń bẹ ajé. Ọmọ olódòdó àkànbí á ṣe kíní yẹn fún wọn. Against his administration, adding that the Northerners are accusing him of deliberately promoting Yorubanization and Lagosization of the polity through biased appointments in critical economic and security sectors that prominently favor Yorubas of the Southwest. This is what we are saying. Nigeria is not working. When Fulani gets there, it will Fulanization Nigeria. When Igbo gets there, they will Igbolization Nigeria. When Hausa gets there, they will Hausalization Nigeria. Now Tinubu is there. Now you say it's Yorubalization Nigeria. Okay, let him go ahead. Let him Yorubalization Nigeria until his tenure is end. And before it ends, Baba Tinubu, ẹ̀yin àgbàgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, kó máa jáde tí yín o, ẹ má bínú pé mi fọwọ́ sétí o. Alákùá, Ògún gbọ́. So, favor Yorubas of the Southwest, of the Northwest, no, but favor. In a statement in Abakaliki, the Secretary General of Shidi Ibe led factor of Ohaneze Indigbo, Mazi Okechukwu Izigu Soro. I am sorry if I did not pronounce your name very well. Call on President Tinubu to prominently address the insecurity challenges in Abuja, which may be influenced by economic hardship and northern tendencies, adding that Abuja residents and Nigerians at large are enduring significant hardship due to the removal of the fuel subsidy. To buy fuel subsidy, that would have been better. Fuel subsidy, that would have been better. But now, also got fuel subsidy. Even then, the 23rd of January 2024, àwọn ọmọ yín pipeline kan is down. Emo, pé iná ti sọ lọ́dọ̀ yín. Iná sọ. Pipeline kan, iná ti sọ, Samepa ti sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ní nothing tó máa wọn back down. Àwọn ò nígbà kan Islamize Nigeria, ọkàn funalize ẹ̀. Bóyá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lọ lé yín kẹ́ lọ homework yín kẹ́ bá àwọn ọmọ yín sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Well, thank you for the advice, sir. Advice left one. Thank you, sir. The statement reads, the subsidy removal has led to skyrocketing petroleum prices, escalating inflation rates, increased cost of goods and the services, and the exorbitant transportation fare. We're about to remove subsidy. Subsidy removal. Ìtumọ̀ ni wípé ètò ìṣúná orí owó epo. So government will be paying half, and another half will be paying by Ilu. Even maybe sometimes some places government pays 75%, while citizens pay 25%. Lórí epo. But when subsidy tí Buhari yọ for past 80 years, ibo ló kó west. I am not supporting Tinubu. But don't talk about the leja so beti ni ama wale lẹ́yìn odi. Àwọn bibi. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ló lẹ́mi. We have millions of Yorubawuyi. Millions of Yorubawuyi that are even more harder. Tí wọ́n ní ṣinṣin lórí ju Yorubawuyi lọ. But they are scared. They are scared to come out. Okay. Àwa náà ń bẹ̀rù. torí ní spẹ́ lẹ́mí kejì ní ẹyọ kan náà la ní ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo nǹkan tọlọ́run ni tọlọ́run ni many Yorubawuyi ó wà ń tà ń bẹ̀ lẹ́bàá àwọn ọ̀kẹ́ lọ́mọ ẹ̀wà ni Yorubawuyi eléyà máa pa ni many Yorubawuyi tún máa dìde àsìkò táwa yìí àsìkò freedom ni àsìkò liberation. We need to liberate our people. We need to get our freedom from you guys. Ẹni wá lára jù. Let's go ahead. Yes, so President Tinubu must exercise utmost caution, particularly as the North is currently displaying red lights. Shut up! They are currently displaying red lights. Okay. The federal government should draw lesson from the Northern coalition that worked against former President Goodluck Jonathan, employing insecurity as a political weapon. Chai! So, emo wípé insecurity, wọ́n employ as a political weapon ni. So, mo pa wọ́n not no employ sọ fún yín pé man-made ní insecurity in Nigeria. Ṣùgbọ́n ń bú wa, ṣó ti ń clear, Ọ̀hánẹ́sẹ̀ Ndigbo ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣó wá ń clear lójú anybody nsìn? Àbí kò clear? Ó ti ń clear. So because they watched that against Jonathan and Jonathan wá fọ́ fún wọn, ṣàgbọ́ wọ́n ní not tí wọ́n ti ń show red light. We know they are showing the red light. Tí wọ́n bá show red light ni, ṣé wọ́n plan nǹkan tó ṣe ní Nasarawa? Láti sọ fẹ́yìn bàbá wa wípé kẹ́ jí, kẹ́ má sùn. Àsìkò orun kọ́ lẹ wà yìí. Sunday Igboho kọ́ lọ̀tá yín. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá nation kọ́ ni ọ̀tá yín. Àwọn ọmọ tí náà ní kẹ́rọ lágbára. Torí aṣọ tẹ́rí tí wọ́n wọ̀ ní North ń yọ̀wò yẹn. Ṣé wọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ra aṣọ yẹn ni? Ṣé wọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé fún tailor ni? You will know even before Tinubu got there, ni mi ò gbóyìnbó pressure ti wà. A máa sọ Yorùbá. Even before Tinubu gets there, ẹ mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti plan aṣọ yẹn. Wọ́n ti ra aṣọ. Ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section. Ṣé aṣọ yẹn ṣé wọ́n ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ plan yẹn ni? Ṣé pàtó di gbàsgbò ní last month tó wà ní last month náà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ra aṣọ yẹn? Náà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ organize ẹ̀. They play. Àwa lẹ máa tàn lè tàn wá. Má tàn wá. A kì í ṣe nànàmú, a kì í ṣe dìdìrìn. Let's go ahead. Draw lesson from the Northern coalition that worked against former President Goodluck Jonathan, employing insecurity as a political weapon. Yes, Ọ̀hánẹ́sẹ̀ Ndigbo has closely observed the disregarding statements and action of prominent Northern leaders against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We express our deep concern over these occurrences and urgently call for mentions to address the escalating security challenges. In Abuja, President Tinubu must also remain vigilant in the face of a potential Northern conspiracy against his administration. Thank you for the advisor. You are trying to protect Baba Tinubu. God bless you, Saishe. A day after Arewa youth kicked against the relocation of the federal agencies, the Joint Action Committee of Northern Youth Association, JACIA, yesterday called on the federal government to resign its decision to relocate CBN offices and the FAN headquarters to Lagos. According to the member of JACIA, the decision is not rescinded would be resisted by the North. Wọ́n ní tí Tinubu tí ò bá gbọ́n táwọn ń sọ wípé kò gbọ́dọ̀ relocate ẹ̀. How ma resist? And you know what that mean? Sure, you know what that mean? Something clear. See, we need to be happy. Even though we want Yoruba nation. Now, one is Tinubu. You don't want me to talk about Tinubu. But now, I want to talk about Tinubu for urbanization of Nigeria. Over legalization of Nigeria. And do you want us to keep quiet? Come on, sorrow. Because I fed Tinubu. Politics admission, right? But Tinubu omotiwani. Ale ma fi admission no. Yoruba ni. Now on Yorubalization. So ká wá shopshinization no ká ye be ni parí. If you want me to continue bringing this as they go, please put it in the comment section. If you don't want it, please put it in the comment section. I will read and I will go for the highest bidder. Bí a ká máa solo yen mama ṣe. Bí a ká dé dákẹ́. Ká máa wo àwọn aṣíwájú beggars tí wọ́n gbowó. Bóyá wọ́n lè ṣe ntan ṣe. This is what they're supposed to be doing now, but they cannot do it. And okay. Unto àti ju wa lọ bá lọ àìtó náà bá bọ̀. Wọ́n darí dé wọn ò jẹ́ nǹkan. Àti ju wa náà bá lọ, àti ju Yorùbá nation náà bá lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n àìtó náà bá bọ̀. Wọ́n ti shop shin bàbá. Àwa ò lè shop shin ọmọ olódòdè Àkànbí. Yorùbá làwa, Yorùbá kì í dijú méjèèjì jà. Yorùbá máa ṣe báyìí ni. Especially bá jẹ́ Yorùbá ẹgbẹ́, ẹ̀yin bàbá wa lè dá, tẹ́ dijú méjèèjì báyìí. Tẹ́ ń bá wa jà, tẹ́ni kan máa pa wá nígbà yẹn. Ẹ wo, ọ̀rọ̀ sì ń bọ̀, mo sì máa ṣe live show. At a press conference, at a press conference in Kaduna, the group, which is made up of several civil service society organizations, at a press conference in Kaduna, the group, which is made up of several civil society organizations, the CSOS, vowed to embark on mass protest and legal action against the federal government, Baba TINUBU, over the alleged attempt to marginalize the northern region. How did mi ò gbóyìnbó báwo ló ṣe marginalize the north region? I don't know. Jakia convener Muritala Abubakar said, "We are here today, 2 hours ago, to express our strong opposition and concern over the proposed relocation of 5 critical departments of the CBN, an institution that serves as the bedrock of our economic stability and financial governance, and the purported relocation of FAAN headquarters from the Federal Capital Territory to Lagos." CBN, tó bá wà l'Abuja, Abuja is not safe. Oh no, Abuja is safe ni. TINUBU is not doing all this intentionally. But for now, prevention is better than cure. Abuja is not safe for now. Even me, I will advise about TINUBU to relocate everything. And to relocate. But your military, OCAE, they relocate. They should just relocate it. Sister no, to prevent it from happening. Not one day, all these people will just go inside their own banking. One day, central bank Ogagbe. Who will fight for us? See? They can just decide one day. Come wale. Gbogbo wọn tó wà ní central bank kí wọ́n kó lọ. Gbogbo machine tí wọ́n lò nínú central bank kí wọ́n kó lọ. Àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ central bank kí wọ́n kó lọ. Kó máa wá béèrè billions of dollars. Ibo la ti máa rí. About TINUBU, I believe he's not doing this all this intentionally. He's just trying to protect nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ ní Nigeria kó má bàjẹ́ ni. TINUBU is not doing it for you. He's not trying to Yorubalization Nigeria or Lagosization Nigeria. Mi ò mọ̀ pé. He is just trying to be kó prevent it from happening. Tí nǹkan bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ náà, ìyá kọ́kọ́ kó ẹrù jáde náà. Gbà ẹ jẹ́ paná yo, ẹ paná. Ẹ kó ẹrù tẹ́ bí àwọn bí fire extinguisher, ẹ kó wọn jáde. Àwọn ẹrù tẹ́ lè fi pa iná yẹn ẹ kọ́kọ́ pa iná yẹn náà. Back to nǹkan tó bá wà nílé tó bá jókù. So TINUBU should just first relocate I am not a politician, no. Mo ń bèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣé TINUBU should first relocate everything down to Southwest? So àwọn kan yẹn ò ní bàjẹ́. Then he can go back. Àkọ́kọ́ lé akátá lọ ná. A wá fi àbọ̀ wá bá ẹdìyẹ. A wá go back. A ṣe pẹ́ lọ bá wọn pò. Wípé yes, we need security here. But tí wọ́n fẹ́ jagun, àwọn tó lè bàjẹ́ ń bẹ̀, èèyàn máa kó kúrò ní. because àwọn tí wọ́n wọlé ìsìn wọ́n jagun ni. Naughty, please don't be scared. Ẹ má bínú. Àwọn tí wọ́n wọlé wọ́n jagun ni. Ogun ni wọ́n ń jà. Ogun ni. So Tinubu ní tó kó gbogbo ẹ̀ kú o ńbẹ̀ náà. Kọ́kọ́ yanjú yẹn náà kó tó di pé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ wèrè wọn pé for the sake pé ẹ ti tẹ red flag. You guys have tẹ red flag. Ẹ fẹ́ jagun. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n yẹn pa Alábùjá kọ́kọ́ everything kú o kọ́kọ́ Katsina náà. Ìjọba wa ń ṣokó tó kọ́kọ́. Tí Yorùbá kọ́kọ́ kú o. Kọ́kọ́ pamọ́ náà. Òfò ò lè ṣe ní tọ́ka ṣẹnu yẹ́mẹ́yẹ́mẹ́. Tinubu is doing prevention. It's better than pé kó wá ba gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ kí Tinubu tó wá sọ̀rọ̀. That one no good. Make you just do the prevention. Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. He has seen me for the first time. Ẹ fẹ́ sùn sókè tẹ́ wá sùn tí bá enter yín. Ẹ má sùn. Ẹ tẹ subscribe button. Ẹ tẹ notification bell yín kàdé bá yẹ kí n máa mú wá. Bó bá ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ bá mi kọ síbẹ̀. Ọmọ olódòdó Àkànbí. Ó yá ṣe kíní yẹn fún wọn. Àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé ó kù. Please advise Tinubu. Everything tẹ́ mọ̀ pé ó kù tán lè gbé wá sí South West. Everything. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé ó kù tí wọ́n lè gbé wá sí South West. Please advise àbí advise. Ẹ ṣáà ṣe kankan. Ẹ advise bàbá Tinubu o. Nǹkan tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé wọ́n lè gbé wá sí South West. Ẹ advise wọn kí wọ́n gbé wá sí South West náà. O. Ká máa wo ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n kọ́kọ́ bá kó wá náà ká tó mọ ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Lọ́wọ́ yìí, ẹ kọ́kọ́ kó kúrò náà. You need to call everything cool before we know what go happen. Thank you so much. I love you. Yorubawuyi lórúkọ tèmi, Yorubawuyi ni mo ń jẹ́. I am the one and only Akalolo of Yoruba land. Adáwọn ọ̀lẹ Yorùbá mọ́jọmọ́ lọ. Yolóyè ni mí tí ò common Àbẹ̀ní ọmọ òṣèré pààrọ̀. Bí wọ́n máa pààrọ̀ Àbẹ̀ní ó máa déwájú ìjọba o. Thank you. Please patronize me for more. Ẹ wo. Ẹ pàdé. Ẹ rí. Ọjà ti tán. Ọjà díẹ̀ ló kù ńbẹ̀. Àwọn t-shirt, àwọn ṣòkòtò, àwọn aṣọ òkè. Ẹ̀yin oníyàwó, ẹ̀yin ìyàwó ò ní mẹ́ni o. Thank you for the patronization of Yorubawuyi. Aṣọ òkè ṣìkù, àwọn fìlà ṣìkù, please. Ẹ dẹ̀ bá mi lọ download tap send ní dàmú fi àwọn fìlà wá ṣìkù. Fìlà jábọ́, àwọn fìlà wá ṣìkù, please. I ship it to you anywhere you are. Please, I want to ship it to you. Please, ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section. Ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ wọ́n ti jáwọ́ lọ́wọ́ mi o. Ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ wọ́n ti jáwọ́ lọ́wọ́ mi o. Alákùá ògúngàn. Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Just put on your subscribe button, your notification bell. See you on my next show. Thank you so much. We love you. All right.